Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download OmniBook X14 laptop driver. So open any browsers to type Google search box to like that, and which is officially website support.hp.com. This is the officially website, so you can download the driver from HP all devices. Okay, so just right click to go to new tab. So you can see your laptop. Okay, then this is operating system and select OS Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10 in this system, so you can driver download Windows 11 and install in the Windows 10. So you can see diagnostic. If you have some issues in your laptop, so you can diagnose your system, otherwise you can chipset. Okay, and this is so I show you only one driver download, this one only chipset. Okay, just click to download. Okay, when you click to download, it will show like that, it will start. Okay, and click on this setup file, then yes, next, I accept, then next, and then finish it. Okay, after that you can see restart your system and then check it. Thank you.